What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I took my old Calvin Klein jeans and turned them into these beautiful shorts. You guys have been loving my little DIYs and I've been feeling very crafty, so let's just jump straight into the video. To get started, you are going to need a marker, tweezers, and some scissors. You can also use a razor if you have one. I did not have one, so I used scissors. As you can see, I have gotten these pants fixed before. They were too long, so I got them fixed while I was in Korea, but now they have a little stain on them, so I just thought, hey, let's use them for this little DIY. So first, I wanted to go ahead and put the jeans on and get a good feel of how short I wanted them to be. I wanted them to be a little short. I mean, why not? Kids, do not do this at home. Anyways, I went ahead and pulled them over my belly button because I did want them to be high waist. So next I am going to mark. Now I am marking them, and I'm marking them a little bit long. That way if I make a mistake, I can go back and cut them shorter, because once you cut them too short, you cannot go back. I also marked the front a little bit shorter because I do know I want them to be short. Time to get to cutting. You're just gonna cut it straight across. Remember, if you do mess up just a tad bit, it's okay, because you're gonna go back and you're gonna cut them a little bit shorter anyways. Voila, and boom, one pant leg down and the other side to go. We're getting there, guys. Let's go ahead and move on to cutting the other side. When measuring the other side, no need to take a marker. All you gotta do is flip it over and use the side that you already cut to cut the other side that has not been cut. This makes it so much easier, guys. You do want to get out any wrinkles or creases. That way you are not cutting your jeans crooked. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm just making sure that everything is crinkle free, wrinkle free, and that I have a clean cut. Now you want to do the exact same thing that you did on the very first side. You're just going to cut clean straight across. Just like that. And guys, iamthebomb.com. Look at those beautiful shorts. Go me, go me, go me, go me. Okay, let's get back to the DIY. Earlier I had the mark up high, but I moved it lower because I just changed my mind on how short I wanted the jeans. Guys, make sure you're cutting at an angle. This time you do not want to cut straight across. Make sure you are cutting at an angle, guys. This is a pro tip. You want to cut them at an angle so it matches your body. As you can see, this little corner right here is wanting to give me a little bit of a hassle. So make sure that everything and all the creases are out, and now I can begin to cut at an angle. As you can see, as I begin to cut, I am not cutting straight across at all. I am cutting more at an angle. As you see, I finish it off. I angle it down a little bit so I do not mess up the middle part of the jean. Now you just want to repeat the exact same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to start adding slits on both sides of the shorts. I have added a picture so you guys can kind of see my vision. For you guys who don't know, this is Kylie Jenner, by the way. She looks bomb. And guys, this is a super cute look for the summertime. I'm all done cutting my slit in there. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. You want to take your tweezers and just start plucking away. Now, let me say, plucking does take a little bit of time. So I am going to speed up this video and I'm going to get this done. An hour later. Yes, guys, I had to take a break, breastfeed, and do some other things. So I did kind of take my time. Here you can see I'm adding some iron-ons, but I chose not to use the iron-ons because I wanted to keep it cute and simple. But you're more than welcome to add chains, iron-ons, or whatever you like to your shorts. Then you want to take those bad boys and throw them into the dryer for 15 to 20 minutes, and this helps make the fringe fluffier. This is how you rip and turn your jeans into some cute little high waist shorts. Very stylish and perfect for summer. I love them. And to think that I almost sold these. Almost sold these cute little vintage Calvin Klein jeans that I turned into shorts. So happy I did this. That is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. And guys, if you like content like this when I do DIYs, let me know down in the comments because I will keep doing them if you love them. Don't mind the little red mark on my lips. I've been drinking sparkling water and it always stains my skin for some reason and my tongue. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Make sure you are following me on all my social medias. I will leave that down below as well. And like I say in all my videos, guys, I will see you guys later. Peace out.